From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Arctic air is coming into Pennsylvania for the upcoming weekend. Unfortunately, not looking like a good weekend for some outdoor plans, unless, of course, you do love the cold and a little bit of snow. Arctic front will be passing through tomorrow night. That'll likely bring a snow squall with it. Another inch or two of accumulation looks likely. Frigid temperatures will be left in its place for the upcoming weekend, both basically Saturday morning through the day on Sunday. It looks to be pretty brutal out there, especially with the winds we do expect to accompany the cold. And then we are watching a storm system for later on next week. I'll have a few details on that, but we're going to be hanging off on that because there's a lot to be worked out with the impacts of that storm here in central Pennsylvania. But out there right now, we've had some breaks in the clouds today to get a little bit of sunshine through. You can see there's some snow on the ground still across the mountains and the valley. A few snow flurries out. You can see a little bit of snow falling here into the distance. They've been coming off the lakes, bringing a few flakes flying, but has not left any accumulations here in parts of, and really in Center County here. 18 degrees. That does only feel like 4 degrees because the winds have really been howling today out of the west from 10 to 15. We've had gusts upwards of 25 miles per hour this afternoon. Those winds will continue to blow overnight, and that's going to keep those wind chills and those feels like temperatures pretty close to the 0 degree mark, if not just a little bit below. As far as radar goes, you can see there's one streamer of snow off of Lake Erie to our north and another one to our south and west. State College is kind of between the two. We've been seeing a few flurries, but for the most part, the lake effect snow will be staying out of State College overnight tonight. And we will not have a good chance of snow again until Friday night when the front does come through. It's in the middle 20s in southeastern Pennsylvania, 26 degrees in Philly, 24 in Harrisburg, but in the teens throughout the rest of the state, 18 in State College, 11 in Bradford, and then 17 degrees up in Erie, Pennsylvania. Winter weather alerts. We do have a winter weather advisory here to the west of State College, right along the I-99 corridor. This is for the lake effect snow showers that are going to continue tonight, looking to go to about 10 o'clock. Accumulations have been a couple inches a day, and a couple inches of snow more can be expected. Along the lake shores, we expect a pretty decent lake effect snow event, especially just inland of Erie to Bradford, Pennsylvania. Could get over a foot of snow over this weekend with all of the lake effect snow we do expect as the cold air pours into the state. And just within the last half hour or so, wind chill watch was issued for northeastern and parts of northern Pennsylvania for the very cold temperatures we expect this weekend. And the morning crew tomorrow will have some more details on how cold exactly it will get. We go down to the single digits early Saturday morning, and then temperatures during the day on Saturday hanging out in the teens, and then overnight Saturday night will be the cold night, likely below 0 throughout most of Center County. Downtown State College may stay a few degrees above 0, but regardless, it is going to be a cold night, especially with the winds out there. Wind chills could be from -20 to -30 degrees below 0. It's really going to be some dangerous cold that'll be coming into place. As far as snowfall goes this weekend, we'll start with a little bit of sunshine tomorrow morning, and then those clouds will begin to increase. We'll have a few snow showers developing by the afternoon commute, and then a snow squall will be coming out of the north and west with the cold front, likely to impact Center County within a couple hours of midnight, so very late Friday night into early on Saturday morning. Can expect the snow squall to come through, drop a quick inch or so. That will push through. A few more snow showers are possible on Saturday, some flurries, some lake effect material coming off of Lake Erie. And then that will be pushing through the region into the weekend. And then we could see a little bit of sunshine as we get towards the day on Sunday to help moderate temperatures just a little bit. So your forecast for tonight, dropping down to the single digits, we'll go with 9 degrees here in State College. Partly cloudy, breezy conditions, those winds staying out of the west at 10 to 15. And then for tomorrow, 23 degrees, afternoon snow showers are possible. The winds still staying a bit breezy at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, those flurries after the snow squall Friday night will linger into Saturday. Sunday, we'll see partly sunny skies, temperatures warm up just a little bit, and then the storm system that will impact us next week will start as snow, but it's still uncertain of when it will change over to ice and if it will at all, whether this will be an all snow or mixed precipitation event. Of course, we'll be working out those details over the next couple of days. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Michael Spagnolo. Have a great rest of the week.